wonderful people. This is Pearl Hong and we have a question. What are the benefits of practicing gratitude in your life? Sobrang dami. But sobrang excited din ako sa question na to. Ibig sabihin ng gratitude, yan, ikaw ay nagpapasalamat every day. But it's not just in the words, but you must feel every word na sinasabi mo. There are times when you say thank you, parang okay na, okay, thank you. It's just a word, just to say it. But when you feel gratitude, when you say thank you and you feel it in your heart, iba yung mabibigay sa'yo na energy of that word that you say. When you say thank you from the bottom of your heart, talagang yung feelings na makakreate niyan. And pag nag-gratify ka, yung feelings magne-next level, magle-level up. And if your feelings becomes more stronger, na mas mataas, that will determine kung ano yung ma-attract mo sa buhay. Kasi yung feelings mo, that will attract your goal. That will attract the results that you want in the future. Bakit? Kasi pag sinabing results, definitely, it's happy. Diba? Talagang proud na proud ka. Talagang kinikilig ka every day. Imagine yourself